You'll be sure to stand out in KISHIGO's Premium Black Series Women's Heavy-Duty Surveyor's Vest. This vest works as hard as you do, with a solid polyester front, mesh back, and a heavy-duty black bottom half to help keep a clean appearance. To avoid large boxy designs, we added adjustable waist cinches for a perfect fit, along with 4-inch slits at the hip for better mobility. It's durable with high-quality materials and a zipper front closure with reinforced webbing, but also comfortable with a padded neck. And because safety is our top concern, it features 2-inch wide bands of high-performance reflective material against 3 inches of contrast for better visibility. You'll also be able to keep your tools and gear close at hand with a left chest mic tab and eyeglass loop and 8 pockets, including a left chest 2-tier pocket with a dual function flap that can be held open with hook and loop, a right chest gusseted pocket with retractable ID, outer front lower slash pockets with a zipper closure, left and right lower front pockets with flaps and grommets, a lower inside right pocket with zipper closure, a lower left inside tablet pocket with a load-bearing strap, and a hidden back pouch with left and right zipper access. Get the vest that does it all. KISHIGO's Premium Black Series Women's Heavy-Duty Surveyor's Vest is now available in orange and lime, in sizes small through 2X.